What's up, guys? Today I swapped the transistors out in the Fuzz Face I built. Now, I never had a Fuzz Face before, and the BC108s I had were Bs, not Cs, so I was going over the wiring, making sure everything was correct, and lo and behold, I looked at the one transistor and the case that, you know, is surrounding it was eroded and it was leaking. So I jumped online and I ordered some 2N5088s, which are much more aggressive, and I'll link below because I did match these, and I'll put it in the description on how to do it and test for a bad transistor and stuff. But anyway, just like a regular fuzz from what I was watching, the fuzz knob, if you have it maxed out, it's a little darker, and then if you roll it off, it gets a little brighter. What has me a little confused is the volume knob. It's 500K pot, it's audio taper, and the sweet spot is right at 2 o'clock where it sounds louder, and then when you increase it all the way, it just seems to lose some lack. I really don't know. I'm not familiar with Fuzz Faces. But anyway, this is the sound of my amp. And we're on the bridge pickup. So let's turn the fuzz pedal on. I'm assuming that, you know, it's supposed to break up like that. Let's roll that off and brighten it up a little bit. I'll roll the volume down on it. Here's the middle position. And then here's the neck. Like I was saying with this volume knob, at 2 o'clock it's good, but when you crank the thing, kind of loses a little something. You can hear the bottom end coming in. Then right at 12 o'clock it's losing it. And then that's off. 9, 12, 2, and then all the way up. So I'm not really sure if that's the way it's supposed to work. Please comment down below if that's the way a Fuzz Face works.